Non-Recolorable Elements tutorial by Sheila. Using Medibang.
Here are the video contents. Searching for the free digital paint software and installing it. Creating a non-recolorable element. Using Medibang. Contributing the file to Canva. Medibang. Medibang Paint Pro is a free digital painting and comic creation software. It's available for PCs and Mac. Now let's search for it using the browser. Type in search Medibang Paint Pro. Hit enter. Click the first result. Click download. Close the ad. There are 3 choices. Download the compatible one for your PC. Open the downloaded file. Click OK. Click Yes. It will be installed shortly. And it should look like this. Creating these non-recolorable elements, using Medibang, then contributing the file to Canva. When you open the app, there's an ad. Just close it. Just close the another pop-up that will appear. Don't worry if your workspace doesn't look like this. You can edit it on the Window tab and you can open and close some of it. In order to create new work, go to File tab. Click New. Let's create a 1500 by 1500 size. With 600 dpi resolution. Click OK. You can zoom in and out the canvas by scrolling the mouse wheel button. There's a lot of brush to choose from. And you can also customize a brush to your liking. You can also change the brush size while picking out the brush you'll use to draw. Now let's draw something. Like a simple ribbon. Let's move it to center. And press Ctrl-T to transform the image. Let's resize the drawing by dragging the corners and sides of the image. Until it matches the corners of the artboard. Once done, click OK. Now let's duplicate the layer and hide the first one. Select the fill dropper and choose another color. Then fill the duplicate drawing with the new color. Just repeat the process to have more colors. Once you're satisfied with the colors, let's export it, but make sure that only one drawing is showing. Go to File, then export it as a transparent PNG. Name the file, then save. Hide the previous exported drawing, then unhide the next one. Then repeat the process of exporting. Once you have all the files exported, minimize the folder location. Go to the Contributor hub of the Canva and open again the folder. Select all the PNGs. Then drag it and drop to upload. Select all the items to have the same artist name and keywords. Unselect all the items Select one item and give it a name related to it. Once done, deselect the item and select another item. Just repeat the process of giving it a title. Once done, check the I am the owner of the content, and submit all the items, and upload more. Reload the page so that you can see it on your review section. Scroll down to see more. Happy Canva!